Welcome back to Backyard Science with Sci-Fi. Today we're going to look at our own DNA. My name is Katie and this is my partner Kendall.
Let's do it! Next, we're going to talk a little bit about DNA. DNA is the blueprint of all living things. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid.
We can use DNA and extract it from blood and saliva to help investigate and solve crime scenes.
Next, we're going to go over some of the ingredients you're going to need. We're going to use dish soap and water with a 4:1 ratio, which means we're going to use 4 parts water and 1 part dish soap.
You're also going to need Gatorade,
a beaker,
isopropyl alcohol,
and an eyedropper,
and lastly, skewers. First step is to swish some Gatorade around in your mouth, so I'm going to pour it into a cup. So you're going to swish this Gatorade around in your mouth for about 2 minutes, and make sure you don't swallow it because you want to spit it out into the beaker afterwards.
While you're swishing the Gatorade around in your mouth, you can use this time to do all the chores you've been putting off.
After 2 minutes of swishing the Gatorade around in your mouth, spit it into a beaker or a cup so that you can see all of your cheek cells and DNA.
The next step is to add some of your soap and water to your cheek cells. We're going to add about 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon. Now we are going to mix the solution.
Next, we're going to add the isopropyl alcohol, and you need about 5 milliliters or a teaspoon.
While you're adding the isopropyl alcohol, make sure your beaker is on an angle and the eyedropper is touching the glass.
Use your skewer to pull out your DNA strands. And that, kids, is how you find your own DNA at home.
Is that your spit? Ew!
If you like this video, leave a comment down below if you've ever tried cloning your little brother.
Make sure you smash that like button.
And you get that bell a ringle dingle.
Katie, you can stop swishing now.
See you next time!